morning everyone. My name is Batmaruti, daughter of Ponusami. My metric number is S23A1839. Today I want to share my opinion on my group assignment accounting, which is introduction and conclusion. Accounting is the language of business. It is the system of recording, summarizing, and analyzing an economic entity's financial transaction. Effectively, communicating this information is key to success of every business. Those who rely on financial information include international users, such as company managers and employees, and external users, such as banks, investors, governmental agencies, financial analysts, and labor unions.
This is a journal for Noah's company, our company, covering the period from October 1st to October 18th. This includes the cash receipts journal, cash payment journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, and general journal.
This is the Noah's Company ledger, accessible from 15 accounts.
Based on the table below, which represents Noah's Company's trial balance as of October 31st, 2020.
Hi, my name is Nur Syahira Alia binti Sudin. So today I want to present about statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31 October 2020 for Noah's Company. So sales, 40,000 less sales return 3,000, so total 37,000. Purchase 20,000, purchase returns 2,000, so total 80,000. 37 minus 80,000, so it's been 90,000. Receive 4,000, so it's been 23,000. Salary 5,000, stationery 1,000, so total 6,000. So net income 70,000.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Syahada binti Muhammad Asri, number metric #22A1308. So now this is the balance sheet for Noah Business at 31st October 2020. So as we can see, first is fixed asset, which is furniture, is RM 15,000. Current asset, first cash is 65,000 plus inventory 22,000 plus account receivable dash 10,000 equal to 97,000. So 15,000 plus 97,000 equal to 112,000. Liabilities and capital. Capital 18,000 plus net profit 17,000 equal to 97,000. Minus less drawing 3,000 equal to 19,400. Non-current liability is loan 12,000. Current liabilities, account payable card is 6,000. So the total amount is 112,000.
Fullness of the balance sheet statement. The purpose of the balance sheet is to reveal the financial status of a business as of a specific point in time. The statement shows what entity owns, like assets, and how much it owes liabilities, as well as the amount invested in the business equity. This information is more valuable when the balance sheets for several consecutive periods are put together, so that trends in the different line items can be viewed. First, it can be used to evaluate your ability to pay obligation. There are several subsets of information that can be used to gain an understanding of an organization's short-term financial situation. When the current asset subtotal is compared to the current liabilities, it is possible to estimate whether a company has access to enough funds in the short term to pay off its short-term obligations. Second, considers the borrowing level. One can also compare the total amount of debt list on the balance sheet to the total amount of equity list on the balance sheet to see if the result debt or equity ratio indicates an excessive level of borrowing. This data is particularly useful for lenders and creditors who want to know if extending additional credit will result in a bad debt. Third, evaluate the ability to pay dividends. Investors look at the amount of cash on the balance sheet to see if there is enough to pay a dividend. However, this assessment may need to be revised if additional funds are required to be invested in the business. Finally, in terms of determining asset value, a potential acquirer of a business examines the balance sheet to see if there are any assets that could be removed without harming the underlying business. For example, the acquirer can calculate an inventory turnover level by comparing the report inventory balance to sales. This level can indicate the presence of excess inventory. The account receivable can be compared in the same way. The usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. A profit and loss statement often referred to as the income statement is a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specific period of time, usually a fiscal year or quarter. These figures provide information about a company's ability or lack thereof to generate profit by increasing revenue, reducing costs, or both. The profit and loss statements The profit and loss statement many monikers include the statement of profit and loss, the statement of operation, the statement of financial result, and the income and expense statements. The balance sheet show the financial position of a company at a particular point in time, but the profit and loss statement shows the risk, strength, and earning power of a company over a period of time. Also, it takes into account the accounting principle of revenue recognition, matching, and accurate basic, which makes it more important and meaningful than the cash flow statement. Besides that, a profit and loss statement is extremely important for a business for making decisions. It gives a clear picture of whether the company's operations are resulting in a profit or loss after taking into account all the related profit or a loss after taking into account all the related expenditures. Therefore, the company can take corrective action if there is a need.
In conclusion, applying the accounting concept in the business is essential as it provides quantitative information to the overview of the business performance. Accounting is service activity. Keeping our activity records clean and update is very important in making sure our business relevant in today's business environment that is much more complex and dynamic. Proper accounting gives more benefits to the business and is help in elevating the performance of a business. To manage a business smoothly in daily business activities, accounting is a must and it can help to ease future growth of the business. In my opinion, the owners need to find and appoint someone who has qualification, knowledge, and skills in helping the accounting system properly in management of business to ensure that real as to good management and finance system. That's all for today. Thank you.